Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Gelato branding mockups with SVG and PNG exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your design software of choice, such as Adobe Illustrator or Figma. Create a new document with the desired dimensions for your Gelato branding mockup. Next, import the logo and other branding assets you want to incorporate. Ensure that your assets are organized in layers for easy manipulation. Select your logo and position it according to your mockup layout. You may want to utilize guides to ensure everything is aligned properly. Once you are satisfied with the positioning, adjust the colors to match your branding palette. Consider adding background elements that complement your design. Now, if you are using Adobe Illustrator, select the elements you want to export. Go to File, then select Export, and choose the format you need. For SVG exports, choose the SVG option, and make sure to check the settings for compatibility. For PNG exports, select PNG and adjust the resolution based on where the mockup will be used. Click on Export and save your files in a designated folder for easy access. If using Figma, select the elements you want to export and navigate to the Export panel on the right. Choose SVG or PNG as your export format and click the Export button at the bottom. After exporting, check your files to ensure they are properly formatted and clear. Now, you can use your branding mockups in presentations or share them with your team. This process allows you to create visually appealing and professional Gelato branding mockups with ease. Experiment with different layouts and colors to see what works best for your branding needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.